The Airbus A350, a twin-motor wide-body airplane, has been standing out as truly newsworthy in ongoing years for its noteworthy execution and cutting-edge innovation in the interim. Boeing Airbus's long-term rival has battled with the advancement of its own wide-body airplane, the 77X, which has confronted various deferrals and specialized issues. Thus, the A350 keeps on embarrassing Boeing. Will we see Boeing fight back, or will the A350 keep on embarrassing Boeing eco-friendliness? One of the principal justifications for why the A350 is embarrassing. Boeing is its fuel productivity. The A350 is planned with high-level streamlined features, including a carbon fiber fuselage, which makes it fundamentally lighter than past ages of airplane. This consolidated with cutting-edge motors from Rolls-Royce, or on the other hand, Broad Electric makes the A380 up to 25 more eco-friendly than past-age wide-body airplane. This means tremendous expense reserve funds for aircrafts, which can save a great many dollars in fuel costs each year by working the A350 rather than a more seasoned airplane. Interestingly, Boeing's 77X has confronted delays, various postponements to a limited extent because of issues with its new motor plan. The 777X is GE9X motor, which was planned explicitly for the airplane in any case, has confronted specialized issues and has required extra testing and changes. This has prompted delays in the 777X's advancement, which has put Boeing in a tough spot looked at to Airbus and losing a ton of confidence in the eyes of carriers. You see, the GE9X motor is intended to be all the more impressive with lower fuel utilization, ideal for carriers and producers, the same right. While in hypothesis, it is in all actuality, it isn't in light of its intricacy. It faces specialized difficulties for Boeing, which creates setbacks, and to the way that this continues to heap in light of the store network emergency. And you have a major recipe for calamity. Boeing has proactively endured in light of this, with the dissatisfaction of carriers getting increasingly big in the interim. Their greatest rival Airbus is seeing a large number of triumphs. You'd think this is, as of now, very embarrassing, yet it doesn't end there, since another motivation behind why the A350 is it is embarrassing. Boeing progressed innovation, trend-setting innovation. The A350 highlights best-in-class flying and flight control frameworks, counting fly-by-wire innovation, which takes into consideration smoother flight activities furthermore. More noteworthy accuracy. This upgrades security and works on the by-and-large flying experience for travelers. The A350's cockpit additionally includes progress presentations and frameworks which give pilots with constant data and criticism, making the A350 a number one among many pilots. Interestingly, the 77X's cockpit includes a plan that is like past ages of airplane. While the cockpit includes some overhauls and upgrades, it doesn't match the cutting-edge innovation and elements of the A350. Deals requests. The A350 is additionally dominating the 777X in terms of deals and orders. As of May 2023, Airbus has gotten north of 900 orders for the A350 and has proactively conveyed 530 of it, while Boeing has just gotten 353 orders for the 777X, and at the hour of this video has conveyed 0. This addresses a miserable yet huge contrast in market request trust and notoriety for the two airplane. Goliaths with the A350 arising as the reasonable number one among carriers and financial backers. Client care. At last, the A350 achievement is additionally due to its amazing client support and encouraging group of people. Airbus has major areas of strength for a worldwide encouraging group of people, with a group of experienced specialists and designers who offer continuous specialized help. Furthermore, support administrations to guarantee the airplane stays in pinnacle condition. This furnishes aircrafts with more prominent trust during the A350's unwavering quality and security, which has added to the airplane's prevalence and achievement. Boeing then again has confronted huge reaction over its treatment of the 737 MAX emergency, which has harmed its notoriety and disintegrated client trust. The end 737 MAX was grounded for north of a year following 2 deadly crashes that were connected to a defective flight control framework. The emergency prompted critical monetary misfortunes for Boeing and harmed its relationship with clients and aircrafts. By and large, the progress of the A350 can be credited to its cutting edge Innovation, eco-friendliness, flexibility, client administration, and spotlight on traveler solace. These variables have added to the A350's fame and achievement and have put Boeing in a critical hindrance in the wide-body airplane market. While Boeing is attempting to address the issues with the 707, 777X and recover its upper hand, the A350's predominance in the market is supposed to go on for the not-so-distant future. Will we see the 777X overhead, or may it be past the point of no return?